Hey, I'm Baz and you're watching Venture Offroad Australia 4x4. Sailing's been a little bit difficult to do just at the moment. I had a hernia and had surgery to repair that, so it's been no heavy lifting, which has meant raising the mast and kind of even forward driving a bit reluctant to do because I don't want to have to run out a winch cable or something and strain myself, so I've been taking it a little bit easy. While I've been taking a bit of time to rest up and recover, a friend of mine, Justin, has lent me a metal detector and he's given me a hot tip somewhere that he's come out having a bit of a look, but the weather was a bit damp and he was getting sort of false readings and whatnot because of the wet soil. So he's dropped a pin for me, told me where to go, and now I'm going to pick up where he left off if I can find the spot exactly, and have a bit of a scratch around and see if we can find some gold, some of the shiny stuff. This is something new to me, so if you've got any tips for me, make sure you leave a comment there, and let's enjoy having a bit of a scratch around in the bush. I reckon it's in the back of the... I don't think it's that. It's this, whatever it is.
How is that?
It's metal of some description, but it's kind of falling apart too.
Yeah. Oh wait, is it their bullet or something?
Something. It's not gold though, or at least I don't think it is. Not unless it's inside that little rock. Like we were never here. I'm not convinced that this is the spot he was talking about. Justin did say there was a big mullock heap we needed to be heading towards, and there's one over here. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to head over there and check it out. It's not going to be gold, no, unfortunately. There's something in there, but it's not what I was...
No. Not your original
target.
Big loud beat.
it is. It's small because I can't even see it.
Wow.
I think it's that. I think it's tin or something. Yeah, that's what it is. I think it's just like decaying metal of some kind.
Yeah, bit of alfoil or something almost.
Tin, probably.
Yeah.
Oh, that's a shame. Alright, moving along. It's a grave.
What?
It looks like a grave. The right size. That's something out of an engine. I don't know. Kind of looks like it. Like a conrod. Like a shaft. Yeah. Plenty of diggings.
Yeah. Good luck finding your tree, dude.
I know. Not like there's 3 trees to shoot from. Another shaft over here.
Heaps of quartz around.
I really want to find something, but so far all we're finding is just little bits of tin and rubbish and whatnot, nothing shiny. But what we've got here is a bit of a water race. So I'm hoping if we keep following this, maybe we'll stumble across the spot that Justin's talking about. Half the time the detector's making a noise at me, it's just my shoes, because I've got metal where the shoelaces go through. They're not even steel caps. Thought I had something there, but I think again it was just my shoes. Shoes again. In a way it's good that we're not finding any signals, because up closer to the main track I guess there was more, you know, bits of tin and probably rubbish that people have left behind over the years. But hopefully if we're not getting any signals here, when we do get a signal, hopefully it'll be shiny. Something in there, but it's not going to be shiny. Plenty of quartz. It's nice when it's at the front of the scoop. Alright, so it's in there. And again, I don't know what it is. Old bullet or something, yeah. Very old. If that. Don't know. Chuck it in my pocket. I'm tempted to have a look like down in the gully a bit more.
Yeah, I don't know.
they're all old workings though. I mean, everywhere. It does seem like it's still in there.
Yeah.
Thinking maybe it's a little bit more that way. Look, it's still in the hole, I think.
Okay.
And I'm thinking in that corner.
I've been working at the railroads.
I feel like I'm far too inexperienced at listening to it. And then it doesn't sound the same there anymore.
No. I don't think something you dug up.
Yeah, I'm thinking where's the tube? Not in that. Not in that. Not in that. Like if it is, it's tiny. Not hearing anything. No, like I really don't know if what we're hearing is actually a target or just interference. And then it's, you know, you get something like that that sort of sounds like it.
Yeah.
because it's making the same noise. There's a faint target there, it seems, isn't it?
Yeah.
Or is it just me?
Yeah, no, there's something, but I don't know. Beginning to feel like fishing.
It's a lot like fishing, and I'm not very good at fishing, so...
And I kind of beginning to feel like it's a you and Justin thing.
Yeah.
Not a me and you thing. That's just my thinking.
I'm going to give up on that. I'll run it over it one more time. But I'm not hearing. That's the strongest I've heard it.
I know, stupid thing.
I'm giving it up. That's a big tree. I don't think we're finding Justin's tree at this stage, not today. Have to get him back out here.
Needle, haystack.
Absolutely. You wouldn't expect it to be gold, but we got something, so we might as well. Wouldn't expect that to be gold. It seems to be too obvious, but we're here and there's something there, so we might as well have a look. And we are right on top of an old working.
What a scoop! Oh, you just throw it away.
It fell out on the...
Huh.
It's a bullet.
Another one.
It's about as exciting as it's going to get today, I think. Oh well, not to be today, but it's a bit of a taste. Maybe we'll come out again. I think I'll call it that for the day. Maybe we'll come back another day. We'll see. See you next time.